The only way to grow our economy is to ensure that businesses can grow. So we are very focused, particularly on our micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, or MSMEs. We recognize that one of the biggest challenges facing MSMEs is access to capital. So we're going to reform the DBJ. All those upfront fees that you have to pay to access loans, we're going to roll them into the loan, extend your repayment period so that you can borrow the money, build your business and grow. But we're going further than that. We're going to waive the corporate income tax on your businesses for the first 3 years so that you can focus on growing your services, growing those products, and building a great business without having to worry about paying the government corporate income tax. Businesses, we have a plan for you. We recognize that productivity is one of the most important components of growing a stronger economy. So we're going to put in place an incentive for you to train and upskill your own workforce. For every dollar that you spend upskilling your workforce, we as a government will match it. Why are we doing this? We're doing this because we recognize that a more productive workforce means more goods and services and building a better economy. So the PNP has a plan to grow the economy, to make your businesses more efficient. And as we grow the economy, we can provide the services that will ensure that every Jamaican enjoys the standard of living that they want.